We got it. That was my cue.
I'm Adrian. I'm a prop and soft goods stylist.
And I'm Getty. I'm a prop stylist and also a DJ.
And today we're here to show you
How to fold a fitted sheet.
You may know us or at least have seen our work styling with Brooklinen.
You know, work like this or
that one.
That was a good one.
Oh, and that.
Forgot about her. Today, we're gonna talk about some serious business in the bedroom, and it's not what you think, you nasties. We're talking about fitted sheets.
The fitted sheets that you have wadded up in your closet.
That you're not gonna fold, but today you are.
We're here to show you, as experts, how to fold a fitted sheet.
Okay, now let's get into it.
So now we have our queen fitted sheet in front of us. What I've done is I've laid it out lengthwise, so we have the long side facing us.
Which is so kindly labeled by Brooklinen.
What I'm gonna do is get my hands in two corners, flip them inside out, so we're seeing the labels, we're seeing the seams, and I'm gonna have them meet and get tucked into their corners that are directly across from them. And then I'm gonna lay it down. You can use any surface. You can use your mattress or do this on the floor.
How's that?
Good.
Does that look good?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now you're gonna take the edge that's furthest away from you, fold it towards you. Once,
Pull.
finesse, flatten out. And a second time, fabulous. We're getting there.
Okay.
And then we're gonna meet in the middle.
Okay.
It's like Lady and the Tramp.
But with sheets.
Congratulations, you folded a fitted sheet.
And now that you have the tools, use them.
Bye.
Oh my gosh, we did it!